If you work with fabric, you may want to add a seam allowance to an object or a pattern. To do this, select the object that you would like to add the seam allowance to, then click on Edit and Object Edit. Click on the seam allowance icon, tap the button that says On, and then use the arrows left or right to change the width of the seam allowance. These run from 3 mm up to 5/8 of an inch. Tap OK to set that, and the machine has now created both the cutting outline and the drawing outline for the seam allowance. So when you come to cut and draw, it will only select the relevant portion to act upon. So for example here you can see the cut outline is the larger outer outline, and when we come to draw, it will take the inside shape. To turn the seam allowance off, just tap that seam allowance icon again and then tap on the button marked Off. Seam allowance will work on an assortment of shapes, but not all. So we can see here one of the crown shapes that I have loaded, it will accept. Sadly though, seam allowances don't work with text, therefore you will not see the button marked On when you select that option. Instead you would use the offset tool that we will cover later.